Are you in the market for an affordable and reliable SUV that won't break the bank? Then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 7 SUVs that you can buy for under $30,000 according to Consumer Reports. We've scoured the market and compiled a list of the best SUVs that offer great value for your money. So, whether you're a family looking for extra space or an adventurer in need of all-weather capabilities, we've got you covered. 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross continues to impress with its practicality and efficiency, and this year's new hybrid option makes it even more attractive to buyers. While the tight rear seats and modest acceleration may be considered drawbacks, they are not unusual for the compact SUV segment. The most popular style is the L front-wheel drive, which starts at $24,395 and comes with a 2.0-liter i4 engine. The Corolla Cross is estimated to deliver 31 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a great option for those looking for a fuel-efficient SUV. The Corolla Cross takes all the best aspects of the long-running Corolla sedan and packages them into an attractive compact SUV body. It offers a comfortable ride and a comprehensive set of standard safety features, making it an affordable utility vehicle that delivers plenty of practicality. Overall, the Toyota Corolla Cross is an excellent choice for those who prioritize practicality, safety, and affordability in a compact SUV. 2023 Kia Seltos. The Kia Seltos is a standout in the crowded compact crossover segment, thanks to its unique styling and affordable pricing. While the base engine may be weak, the Seltos makes up for it with its spacious cargo hold that provides plenty of versatility. Available in 5 trim levels, the most popular being the LX 2.0 all-wheel drive, which starts at $24,665 and comes with a 2.0-liter i4 engine. This Seltos is estimated to deliver 27 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. In its third year on the market, the Kia Seltos gets slightly expanded safety features on the S trim, but no other changes. The nicely appointed interior offers ample space for 5 passengers and cargo, making it a great choice for first-time buyers who want the versatility of an SUV, but with smaller dimensions, and a price that's easier on modest budgets. With 2 engine options and a choice of front-wheel or all-wheel drive, the Seltos is a practical and stylish option that's sure to turn heads on the road. 2023 Subaru CROSSTREK. The Subaru CROSSTREK is the ultimate small, all-weather wagon for buyers who value reliability, practicality, and traction. Its muscled-up design is perfect for those who want more space than a sedan, but don't want a traditional high-riding SUV. With 5 trim levels and an affordable price tag under $30,000, the CROSSTREK is Subaru's third most popular model, selling over 127,000 cars last year. The combination of all-wheel drive, raised suspension, and a rugged look makes for a capable, comfortable, and easy-to-live-with all-roader. The CROSSTREK is a practical and spacious option. Although the standard 2.0-liter engine is modest with just 152 horsepower, the optional 2.5-liter engine with 182 horsepower and a continuously variable automatic transmission is the way to go. The CROSSTREK is an excellent choice for those who need a small but practical vehicle that can take on anything Mother Nature throws its way. 2023 Kia Sportage. The 2023 Kia Sportage has undergone a complete redesign, making it bigger and better than ever. With a sleek and striking exterior design, the new Sportage is sure to turn heads. Kia has also added new hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains to the lineup, giving drivers even more options to choose from. Inside, the Sportage offers plenty of passenger and cargo space, making it a great choice for families. While its larger size may make it slightly less maneuverable in congested areas, the Sportage's handling and performance make it more engaging to drive. Overall, the interior boasts high-quality materials that give it a premium look and feel, while the infotainment system is fully featured and easy to use. The most popular style, EX front-wheel drive, starts at $29,615 and comes with a 2.5-liter i4 engine. The Sportage is estimated to deliver 25 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. All of this, combined with affordable pricing, makes the Kia Sportage a crossover with plenty of appeal. 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson is a standout in the competitive compact SUV segment, offering a spacious cabin and a range of efficient powertrain options at a reasonable price. The base model comes with a 4-cylinder gas engine, while the hybrid trims offer additional power from their electric motors. The Tucson is quiet and comfortable on the road, and its interior is one of the most spacious in the class. All trim levels come with a long list of standard features and advanced safety technology. The most popular SEL front-wheel drive trim starts at $29,835 and is estimated to deliver 25 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. If you're shopping for a compact SUV, the Hyundai Tucson is definitely worth a look. 2023 Honda HR-V. The 2023 Honda HR-V has received a significant overhaul, making it even more appealing to buyers looking for a subcompact SUV. With its larger size, more powerful engine, and advanced suspension system, the HR-V is more fun to drive than ever before. Inside, the sporty design and new features like the digital instrument display and larger touchscreen make for a comfortable and convenient ride. The HR-V also offers impressive cargo space, making it a practical choice for buyers. With a starting price of $25,095, the HR-V is affordable and competitive in its class. 2023 Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue has a lot to offer in the compact SUV segment. Its spacious cargo area and standard driver assist features make it a practical choice for buyers. However, compared to its rivals, the Rogue is less fuel efficient and not as engaging to drive. The S front-wheel drive trim, which is the most popular, comes with a 1.5-liter i3 turbo engine delivering an estimated 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Safety features are plentiful, with standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The interior of the top trims is luxurious, with high-quality materials and a sleek design. While some competitors may offer more dynamic driving experiences, the Rogue remains a great value option in the segment. With a starting price of $28,695, it's easy to see why the Rogue is Nissan's best-selling vehicle. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for your next vehicle. Remember, there are plenty of great options out there that won't break the bank, and we're here to help you find them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Also, let us know in the comments which SUV on our list caught your eye and why. As always, happy car hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.